Hello, this is James from Johnson Motors showing you a 2018 Chevy Equinox 1.5 turbo. This one is all-wheel drive. It is certified pre-owned, so it comes with the free extended warranty. This one also has the blind spot alert, has Bluetooth, heated seats, power driver seat, power lift gate, and the bumper-to-bumper warranty is good until May 2021 or 36,000 miles. And the powertrain warranty is good until May of 2023 or 60,000 miles. Alright, I'll start it up for you here. Everything is good in the dash. This is pretty clean. The seats are clean. The back is clean. Again, this is James from Johnson Motors in St. Croix Falls. Come say hi.